In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce file size in Affinity. If you're working in any of the Affinity apps and need a smaller file for email, web, or handoff, the key is to export efficiently without sacrificing more quality than you need to. Start by opening the Affinity app on your computer. This process works similarly whether you're in Designer, Photo, or Publisher. With your document open, go to the top left of the screen and click File. In that menu, choose Export. That opens the export window where all the optimization happens. If your system takes a moment to respond, just wait for the export dialog to appear. That's where you'll make the size-saving choices. Inside the export window, you'll pick a format first. Choosing the right file type makes the biggest difference to file size. For photographs or anything with lots of continuous tones, JPEG is usually the smallest while still looking good. For graphics that need transparency or crisp UI elements, PNG preserves sharp edges, but it's typically larger than JPEG. If your version of Affinity offers WebP, that's a modern option that often gives you JPEG-like quality at even smaller sizes and can also support transparency. For vector-heavy artwork or print handoffs, PDF or SVG can be ideal, but keep in mind their size depends on the content and settings. In short, select the format that fits your use case, and you'll set yourself up for a smaller file right away. Next, lower the quality. In formats like JPEG and WebP, you'll see a quality slider or percentage. This is where you fine-tune the balance between size and clarity. Drag the slider down gradually and watch the preview if available. A range around the middle, often somewhere between 60 and 85, keeps most images looking clean while trimming a lot of weight. Look closely at gradients, skies, and text edges to make sure you're not introducing visible banding or blocky artifacts. If your export dialog shows an estimated file size, use that as a guide while you adjust. Small changes to quality can make a big difference, so move in small steps until you're happy with the trade-off. When you're satisfied, click Export. You'll be prompted to choose a location and file name. Save your optimized copy, then keep your original working file intact so you can re-export at different settings later if needed. That's it. Open Affinity, go to File, choose Export, select a smart format, lower the quality to taste, and export your compact file with confidence.